In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Google Pay transaction decline. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. So you could try these solutions one by one and your payment should go through. The first is going to be checking your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And if it still doesn't work, try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. You can also go ahead and verify your payment method. So check if your card or your bank account or card is properly valid and ensure that your card is not expired. If that is not the case, you might need to add a new payment method if needed. Also, go ahead and make sure you have sufficient balance in your account and check your card limit. For UPI, verify your linked bank account has enough balance. Okay. Now, the other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your bank server status. You can simply go ahead and give your bank a call, which will go ahead and fix this problem. If none of it works, then you might have a update pending on your Google Pay account. I hope this video